Hello guys, this is Anastasia and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I remove Got2b glue off of my lace wigs. Today my hair is in a pineapple. She's had a rough day, well night. I woke up about 10 minutes ago, so I am looking a little... So this is the lace wig with the glue on it. So you would want to get a toothbrush or this brush that I got at the beauty supply store. A toothbrush or a brush like this is good because the little bristles can get into the lace holes. Then you're going to just wet the brush and start putting it on the glue on the lace. Wetting the Got2b just helps it break down and get it prepared to clean off the lace, because just like when you remove Got2b off the scalp with soap and water, it's kind of the same concept. You're just scrubbing to get the glue activated again. And here you're just going to see me going around the lace perimeter to wet the glue. Now adding soap to the brush, I'm going to scrub around the perimeter of the hairline just to really get the glue out now. Just scrub, and it's repeating the same step over. You can rinse it off with the water to see if there's still more glue on it, and if there is, you just got to repeat that. This is lukewarm water, not cold, not hot. When you're finished, the lace should look something like this. If it doesn't, you don't have to get it 100% clean. As you can see, there's still a little bit of glue in some of the pockets. Really, it's just the water mixed with the color of my hair. But there's like little bits of glue. It's not gonna hurt nobody. So that is how you remove Got2b glue from your lace wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. I think I'm gonna keep this channel more in the hair department for now, but I would like to have your feedback, anything you guys want to see. Have a great day, guys.